welcome to Campsie Waterfalls. Now, I've never done this place before in my life. This is all new to me, so I'm going to be exploring these waterfall systems, which is just down the glen over in that direction. Campsie Glen. I've got about 4 hours here, so I will be exploring all of this waterfall system. It's all part of the Campsie ridgeline that runs all the way from Stirlingshire over in that direction and all the way across to the end of it, which is Conic Hill. Fantastic ridgeline, and one big fault line basically is the Campsie Fault. Now I have got my waders with me, and this glen is rather dangerous. I don't know what the water system is going to be like at the minute. I haven't been down there. I don't know how deep the water is. I don't know how fast the water is going to be running. It is a bit overcast. There is a bit of blue sky at the back over there, but we'll soon find out when we get down there how dark it is, and see how we go. 3 words on the screen for you guys where this place is, and I'm looking forward to this one. Got a bit of time here to spend before we move on to the Highlands of Scotland. So let's go chasing waterfalls. See you down there. Well folks, here I am. I've just made my way down the steps. I'm impressed with it already, and I've only just got here. There's a waterfall system just up here. There's also another one. Just watching where I'm stepping at the minute. I'll angle this down for you. Just down here. And also another one over the back here, and I've only just got here, so I am really looking forward to capturing some images here. Wow, impressed. Quite easy really to get to, straight from the car park, and we'll make your way down the steps. Really impressed. So many compositions I can see already, and what I'm after, well, let's go and have a scout about and scout how on earth I am going to get down there. Obviously there's a path here just leading away. I'm going to have a little look down there. So let's get down there and have a look, and get my camera out. Speak to you in a minute. Bye for now. Alrighty, I hope you can hear me. Sorry for the backlight of the sun over there. Let's try swinging this around. There we go. So the waterfall itself, top tier waterfall. What I plan to do here, just down here, there's a log, and we'll use this as my foreground. I'll try to get in there. Love it how the light is just hitting the top of the waterfall here. I'm going to get my gear out, set up, and I probably won't talk to you over there because I'll be in the water. It's time for me to get my waders on and get in that water just to the front here. I've seen lots of different compositions I want, incorporate the rocks to the foreground here, but I want to get that shot first there of that log just in the water. Slow that down as much as I can. I don't want it too fast because I don't want this too much of a silky water. Possibly about half a second, quite fast, so it might be 1/6, 1/8, up to 1/8 of a second, and see how I manage with that. But yes, let's get going, capture my first image here. Bye for now. Well guys, that is me done at the top tier. I was over by the fallen log over on the left hand side, that side there, as you were looking at the waterfall, using it as a leading line all the way down to F9 on that, and all the way back up to F14. I found around about an F10 to F13 was my sharpest point on that. I'm going to focus stack this though, and possibly a 2-shot image, one for the foreground and one for the waterfall itself. Lovely leading line just down here with a lovely tier system of waterfalls, of cascades, little burn running to the side of the actual waterfall itself. I was down here as well, capturing this bit. Down here, lovely tier system down there as well. Right, that is me done. I'm going to leave the wild swimmers to it, because that is what they're here to do, and they're going to go swimming. So I'm going to move down, capture the other waterfall, and hopefully get a nice selfie down there. Should be nice and sweet. Right guys, speak to you in a minute. Bye for now. Well folks, you probably can hear in the background there a bit of distortion with the water noise of the big waterfall. I'll just turn my camera around now. Look at that. Sorry about the haze in the background here, but I've got a bit of spray coming in. So surprised I haven't seen this place done before. Honestly, I haven't. And I'm surprised at myself that I haven't been done here. Sorry guys, I'm scratching all over, but I am getting eaten alive by midges here. But yes, it is August and Scottish summertime. Midges are out. And yes, I am going to get in that water, find some nice foreground. Plenty of selfies to be done here as well. See how they turn out. But yeah, let me get my gear out guys, and I'll see you in the water. See you soon. Hope you can hear me. The greenery in this place is unbelievable. The moss on the rocks is phenomenal. Really, really stands out on this one. I'm just framing this so the waterfall cascades in from the corner of the image. Capturing the greenery. Circular Polaroids are on for the actual water itself, just down here, so I'm getting a few incorporated rocks in the foreground. Oh man, this place is so sweet. Honestly guys, my settings for this one, I was at F10, a quarter of a second. I have actually put a grad in just to darken, just a touch, though not too much, the actual glare that's coming through at the top of the waterfall, just up here. But wow, well, this place is phenomenal. I'm going to walk up, get behind the waterfall as well, but I am going to get a selfie done here, and that should be really, really sweet against that backdrop of the water just slowed down just a touch. But guys, composition after composition here really is. 3 words on the screen now for you for where this place is. It is beautiful, really, really beautiful. Right, I'm going to incorporate some more foreground, landscape and portrait mode. It just goes on and on. Lucky I've got hours and hours to spend at this location. It is awesome. Right, photographs. Speak to you soon, bye. Well guys, that is me finished here at Campsie Falls. Fantastic waterfall in the background. There's other photographers turning up now, so I'm going to give myself a rest from hogging the place for far too long. Guys, by no means have I run out of stuff for things to photograph in the Highlands of Scotland, but here's a question. I am open to suggestion, so if you think you've got a place that needs photographing, leave a comment in the comments box and I'll have a look, and I never know, I might photograph it and see how I do, see if I do the place justice for you. But yeah folks, I'm done here and back into Glencoe now, up to higher ground. That is my next stop for a vlog, and enjoy the images guys, and see you very soon. Bye for now.